The next few videos are going to talk about setting up effective navigation. Essentially what this means is that search engines are going to be coming to our sites. We're going to be setting up lots of links to our blog, hopefully. And when the search engines get there, we want to tell them both where the most important parts on our site are and also just give them a good feel for everything that's there. So there's a couple things that we can do to help that. The first thing I want to encourage you to do is prioritize your links. What this means is that when you go ahead and you set up your WordPress blog, if you have a post that you feel everybody should see or you really want to rank well for, then create a permanent link for it on your blog. Of course, there's a couple different ways you can do this, but if I had a spot on my blog that I felt was really, really important, one thing I would do is I would create a permanent link to it. And of course, you can do that by going under Manage and then Links. And then you can see here that you can add your own. So I just put whatever link I felt was most important, I would put in there. And then the link would appear on the side here. Of course, you know that the blog is already a good blog is already going to be set up with lots of categories and whatnot. Again, you want to give people and search engines the most ways possible to find your posts. So you can emphasize it over here. Also, I would suggest that you break out multiple categories. So again, I know I'm kind of doing a little bit of both here. This blog is about WordPress, but I made a post on potty dog training. That was just for illustration purposes. But let's say that I was going to create some posts on WordPress plugins, create some posts on permalinks. Each one could be a different category, and then of course to see all the ones about permalinks, you just click on that, and I'll take you all the ones on permalinks here. So again, taking the time to set up categories and also emphasizing individual links to posts that are the most important. Those are certainly things that you want to be thinking about, both from a visitor standpoint as well as search engine.